Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be learning how to make ghee. So the ingredients that you'll need will be organic cultured butter, a jar or a bowl with a top, a strainer or a cheesecloth, and a heavy bottom pot to cook it in. A detailed description of all this information will be linked below in the description box. With your pot on the stove, on medium heat, you're going to add your 2 sticks of butter. And you're just going to let it melt. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes and our butter is completely melted. Now if you want that process to go a little quicker, you can cut your butter up into smaller pieces. But since I do this quite often, and to make it just easier, I just leave the butter whole, throw it in, and let it melt for 5 minutes on a medium setting. So now what we're going to do is we're going to reduce the heat to a low simmer and let it simmer on low for about 40 to 45 minutes. Okay, so we're 10 minutes into the simmering process, and what we see here is the milk solids are starting to separate. So we've got more time to go. We'll come back and check and see the different stages. Okay, so we're halfway through the simmering cycle. We're about 20 minutes in, and this is what it looks like. It's still cooking. We've got about 20 more minutes to go. We still see that the milk solids are continuing to separate. So we'll be back in a little while to show you the progress. Okay, so it's been about 45 minutes and our ghee is completely finished. And what you will notice is that you still have the milk solids separated on the top. That's the boiling has stopped, so that will let you know that it's complete. And you will notice little brown bits on the bottom. So that is the other signal. So now we're just going to let it cool, and then we're going to strain it into our container. Okay, so once you have your ghee transferred into your container, you just going to put the top on it, and in about an hour or two, it's going to be spreadable and usable. It's the same way that you would use this nice, soft, spreadable butter. And that's it. You have your ghee. It's all ready to go. The milk solids have been separated, and you just have pure ghee. Again, a detailed description of this recipe will be linked below in the description box. Here we have our finished result. It has been strained and cooled. I let this go overnight. So now I'm going to show you how easily spreadable it is. Spreads nice and smoothly. And there you have it. You have your ghee. So I appreciate you watching. I hope you make this. Please leave me some comments below, or if you have suggestions for other videos you'd like to see. Thanks so much for watching.